Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new day trading analysis. What you see before you, this is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. And first of all, I'd like to talk about a trade, actually a prediction of a trade which I sent to you yesterday. It was a prediction on the NQ. I hope you guys saw that video because the level, which was based on those volumes, this was the level, got hit. And this was the reaction to that level. So if you guys saw the video, hopefully you are able to trade this and take a nice profit out of this level. So this level now is spent. I won't be trading it anymore. The reaction has already been there. So that's from the prediction from yesterday. Let's now check out another trading idea here. And the next one will be on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So this is a 30-minute chart of the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. And in here, there are two newly formed supports. Those supports got formed yesterday. It is this one at 0.9133 and this one at 0.9114. When there's a strong trend like this, you want to use the flexible volume profile over that trend area to look for significant volume zones to trade from. In this case, in this uptrend zone, there were 3 significant volume zones, and at the first one, this one, has already been tested because those volumes were traded in here. Then there was a pullback and the volumes got tested and the price went upwards from there. So this level is spent, but there are 2 more, this one, and those heavy volume zones haven't been tested yet, so they are still good to trade. As you can see, the levels I have are always at the beginning of that heavy volume cluster. That's the place from which I prefer to trade, because in my experience there's the biggest chance of a successful reaction from those beginnings of those heavy volume zones. So ideal scenario would be pull back to the first support, reaction, and pull back to the second support and a reaction. Now let me talk a little bit more about this heavy volume zone and the support based on this heavy volume zone, because there are more things that add strength to the level. If you look in here, the price reacted very nicely to this level in the past. That means that it was a resistance in the past, right? It was a resistance, and when the price blew past that resistance, it became a support, right? So that's a nice confluence of 2 trading setups here, the volume profile setup and also that price action setup. Also at this moment we have the first deviation, that's the gray line here, very close to our level, which also adds strength to it. But at the time of the pullback, I guess that maybe the first deviation of the VWAP will continue a little bit more upwards, so it probably won't be around that level, but I don't mind, because still we'll have that volume cluster and that price action set up here, right? So that's for the first long level and all the confluences here. Also, if you guys are familiar with smart money concepts, then from this level we have fair value gap right here. That's fair value gap, another thing from smart money concepts that adds strength to the level. And when there's a fair value gap in uptrend, I like to trade from the bottom of the fair value gap, which, as you can see, is our level. Now let's check out the lower level. Now the lower level, if I use the flexible volume profile like this over this whole area, this whole rotation, then you can see that the heaviest volumes from this whole zone are right there exactly at our level. And that's a thing that adds strength to that level, right? Another thing, also, we have that fair value gap, which is here. Again, smart money concepts, and the bottom of the fair value gap is in here. So that's another thing that adds strength to that level. All right, so what we need to do now is just wait for those pullbacks, and hopefully they'll occur soon, and if they occur, we can take those trades. All right, it doesn't need to be today, it could be tomorrow, it could be next week. It doesn't really matter because markets have very good memory, so we just need to wait, and at the time of the pullback we take that trade at first touch, when the price touches that level for the first time. All right. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about the volume profile, VWAP or order flow trading, then head over to my website. This is it, trader-dale.com. If you click this button, Trading Course and Tools, then it will take you to this page where you can browse my trading education and custom-made trading indicators. Right here, there's the volume profile pack, which will teach you everything about volume profile trading and provide you with my custom-made volume profile indicator. Below that, there's the order flow pack, which focuses on day trading with order flow. This one will also provide you with my volume profile and order flow indicators. If you are interested in getting both for a discounted price, then you can get them in here. You can get the volume profile pack as well as the order flow pack, all together for a discounted price of $6.97. Right, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video. I hope that you found it helpful, and I will be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.